You're enjoying the ride?
Yeah.
It's not a heavy car like you were saying.
Slow down, Mama.
Why are you so afraid? Why are you scared? Huh? You've got 2 airbags. See, if anything like this happened, then the bags will come out within a few milliseconds, and it's like. So don't be scared of speed. I'm really enjoying the drive.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I'm comfortable, and it's not like a diesel car. It's a light car.
How does it feel? How was the drive from Gurgaon to Manesar? I guess
Good.
we zipped, right?
Yeah.
We didn't even realize when we reached Manesar and when we came back.
Mama, what is the difference between this car and that car?
Really? All cars are finally, they take you where you want to go, but, there are small things which make a car great. So look at this, does it not look classy? Does it not look royal? Do you like the grill? What do you like about the grill? It looks like a smiley? Yeah. Look at this, so it's a smiling car and it's high, when you sit in it, you get that feel, you're sitting on top, and it's always a good feeling. When we sit in our car, we are very close to the, we're very close to the ground, but in this we are high and we enjoy it, right? And look at these side mirrors, they've got these beautiful lights in this, when we give the indicators, well, I'll show you. So when I give an indicator, even this blinks, right? And at night this looks very classy. This kind of feature comes in very high-end cars like the Mercedes and all, and even in I don't know, at least all the cars in this category that we have in India, none of the cars I have seen this. Optra Magnum has it, but I don't remember any SUV having it. So I'm very excited that this has come in there. And look at the rims, right? The rims are so, they've got that sporty feel, and they're very nice. The alloy rims, they're looking so good. They don't have those stupid wheel covers on it. The wheels are like, they're alloy rims, comfortable and strong suspension. So it's always good to have a big, strong rim. Very good. And look at these. Nowadays it's winters and we have fog, so if we are coming from a party, these fog lights will really help. Now look at the tailgate. It's so big and wide, right? You can open it. And what is the most amazing feature? That this tailgate mirror, see this button? Just press this and look at it open. And you can open the tailgate mirror as well. In a good weather, if you want to shoot it, if you want to enjoy it, you can open this, enjoy the air, and have all the fun. And look at this, and it's got 2 tailpipes, which makes sense that how powerful the car is. The mummy is already approved of the car. You want the car? Great. So we all love the GM Chevrolet Captiva.